Hello everyone, this is Bruce from Windows Transfer Machinery. Now we're at our blanking machine factory, and now we will make you a brief introduction about the machine. So as you can see, this is our blanking machine, which is into the packaging process. And from here we can see which outside the two wooden boxes waiting for delivery. Now let's go back to the workshop. And this is for China domestic market. This is for export. And this is the pile stacker. And this is our main machine. So it's a double head blanking machine. So, but this one is with automatic clapping device, which will connect to the stacker, that stacker. And after this machine is a standard double head blanking machine. So we can see there's no clapping device. So now we turn to this part. This is a single head with rotation. From here we can see it's with rotation function. So both the single head and the double head is suitable for many kind of box labels, paper cups, and all this kind of box product blanking. It will take out the product and remove the waste. Okay, let's see other product. So this is our full stripping machine. As you can see, this is more suitable for the repeat order, single product with large quantity. It will be more efficient with this kind of product. And also these are the full stripping machine. Stacker. These are the ready machines to be delivered soon. And here are the full stripping machine. And today we will show you this single head with rotation and with automatic clap.